Hi everyone! This time we are learning about nouns. Ready? Let's start! A noun is a special kind of word. It's the name of a person, a place, a thing, or even an animal. And do you know? Nouns are all around us. This is Sarah. Sarah is a person. So Sarah is a noun. A policeman is standing on the street. The policeman is a person. So policeman is noun. This is an airport. It is a place. So airport is noun. Dogs. They are animals. Cat and dog are noun. Pizza is so yummy. Pizza is a thing. So pizza is noun. Here are some other examples of nouns. Alright friends, now let's review our lesson about nouns. Can you spot the nouns in these words? Great job everyone! You've just learned about nouns. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video!